Hey everyone, this is Dave. Welcome to my metal detecting channel, Metal Detecting Out West. Today I'm going to be doing some gold prospecting. Chris is going to meet up with me later on, and we're going to hunt these hills out here. We're out in Arizona today, northern Arizona, in another spot. But I just wanted to start off and show off some things here. There's some ran across some old petroglyphs and stuff on this rock, and then also came across somebody scribed their name on there. It says Al Noland 1923. I did some research a while back, and Al Noland was an old miner from back in the 20s and 30s that roamed all of the Mojave County area. He also kept great journals every day of his mining activities, and so he did placer and lode gold. So I knew he had a camp around here too, so I'm assuming this is where his camp was while he was mining here for a while. But just decided to stop and show you guys. Pretty neat, you know, all these old petroglyphs, and then old miners that inscribed their name in there a long time ago too. There's some other somebody else did their initials down here, WSG and WCS, but it says 7 something 85, so it's probably 1985, I'm sure. But we're gonna continue on and do some hunting today, and let you know, guys, know how we do. Chris is gonna meet up with me probably around noonish, 1 o'clock. He's gonna come out, and we've done pretty good out here, found a few nuggets, so we'll show you guys what we end up with and how we do. All right, this is Dave out. I'm gonna send the drone up real fast. I got the controller here, got the drone right there. I'm gonna send her up and see if I could scout the area around here and get an aerial image of everything that's around. Maybe for some future hunts we can kind of scout some more little washes or something to hunt. All right. All right, Chris finally showed up. What's up, Chris? How's it going, dude?
I'm a day late, dollar short.
what you got going there? You gotta tell us what you got going there.
I see you always catching the dinosaurs for your yard, eat all the bugs, and so we used to do this as a kid. Get a fishing pole and tie a little noose on the end, and then the lizard's sitting on a rock. We'll see it's the truck bed. You just swing the thing over. Sometimes you got to fight the wind.
Yeah.
Which you do. And hold on.
Yeah,
It'll be worth it, I promise.
Yeah.
And then you just lift it up.
Sweet,
and
dude.
Then you got them.
All right. We're gonna bring some more dinosaurs home.
There you go.
All right. And well, Chris just showed up. He's gonna show me how to detect today and pull out about 100 nuggets. Every now and then you'll come across halfway good signal. I'll let you guys hear and show you what it is too. So it almost sounds like there could be something down there a little bit deeper, but digging in here, show you exactly what I found. Check this out. You know what that is? Yeah, good old clay. Good old clay will make that detector sound pretty good sometimes, like it has a faint target down there, kind of deep, but it just doesn't sound right. But clay will do it. Just some tips if you're out in the field and you hear stuff like that. All right, Dave out. coming down the swash. Spotted another. There we go. You guys can ID this. Find these all the time. Way out here. It's a pretty good size one. What do we got there? Little dragonfly. Yep, dragonfly. Got quail all over here, and they're like acting like they're have broken wings or something. They must have babies because they're trying to draw my attention somewhere else. But continue hunting. It's pretty neat. Come across these. All right, Dave out. Okay, you guys, I got a nice signal right down in here. My backpack out of their way. But right down in here, there's a little stream bed coming down. I got a nice little hit target right there. Let you guys hear. Something in there. Take a look in here. See anything? It's a nice little crack. Thought I saw something. Oh, I see something gold right down in that crack. You guys see it? Right there. Nice little. Nice little shiny piece. I see right stuck in that crack. See if we can get it out here. See it right there. It's wedged in there pretty good too. Get that nugget out of there. Come on, sucker. Wish I had a little crevicing tool. I don't. I got my pick, but it's just a little too large. Try to work it out of here. That thing's stuck in there pretty good too. Dang. It's been in there a while. Come on, sucker. Think gold will be nice and soft to kind of work out, huh? Man, thing's stuck in there pretty good. Yeah, I didn't bring with me a little knife or anything. That's what I get for not doing that. I always say I'm going to bring a crevicing tool, a little knife or something. But no. Ugh. Feels like it's wiggling, but I don't know. Come on. It's wedged in there pretty good. Oh, it's okay. Wow, that's in there. You know, actually, let me look. Be right back here. Let me look and see if I can find. I think I might have a little tiny pocket knife. Let me see. Now I got my keys. Let's see if that'll work. See if I can use some keys here. Pop it out of there with it. Oh, it's moving. Oh, that's okay. That's a nice little chunk. Nice little chunker. Out there. That's not too bad. Huh. Probably a good gram and a half piece or so. But all right, yeah, just up on this hill coming down. I was searching in this ravine, but decided to hit some of these little gullies on the side. But man, it was just wedged right in there in that little crack For how long, who knows? But nice little piece though come out of here. All right, I'm gonna continue on. I'll let you guys know how I do. Wow. All right, everyone, this is Dave. It's the end of the day. I'm gonna get ready to pack up and head home. Chris is gonna stay and camp and hunt some more tomorrow. Unfortunately, I can't do that tomorrow. Man, there's more flies out here in Australia, I think, today. But as you can see, I only got one nugget today. I'm sure Chris probably bring back 10 or so. He'll text me later on when he gets back, let me know how he does. But also I found this right next to our vehicles. Check this out. Nice little skull here. If you guys know what this is, if I can keep the camera on it, if you guys know what this is, comment down below. Let me know what it is. And looks like it hadn't been here too long. All right, everybody. Well, this is Dave signing out. Stay safe, and hopefully I'll see you on the field sometime. Take it easy. Bye.